Hi everyone, it's me again. Of course it is. I don't know why I always say that. Anyway, so today I am going to do something that I do probably not often enough. We are going to empty this out. I know, it's ancient. This is my makeup bag. It is stuffed to the brim. It is time to purge it. The question is, what will stay in the bag? What will go back into my Cosmocube, which is down here. And then probably part 2, if you guys care enough, or if I feel like it, purging the Cosmocube. Because not everything that I have gotten in the past year is going to fit. And to be honest, as much as I love this stuff, I'm a minimalist, and some of this is really old. So let's get started. We're going to start with the stuff that's here on my desk. First and foremost, let's see. You know what? This is something that I am really bad at. I say I'm going to do it, I'm going to organize it, and then I don't want to get rid of anything, or I don't want to take anything out of the bag. So this is going to be hard. So like I said, let's start with the stuff right here on the desk that I needed to put away anyway. First and foremost, this is staying in the bag. Now, I have a whole bunch of stuff in here. A lot of things are eyeshadow palettes, but I do have quite a few lipsticks too. This is my Nars Orgasm lipstick. It's what I'm wearing now, and it's my favorite. I love it. This is not going anywhere. It is staying with me. Let's take a look at what all is in here. Maybe that's how we'll do it. So, out here already I have an eyeshadow palette and a contour palette. Yes, I know you guys don't like this brand, but you know what? She doesn't own it anymore, and this is the only thing that works for my skin. I'm keeping this in the bag. So, maybe we'll keep that over here. A lipstick, I don't know the last time I used this. I will probably put this one in my Cosmocube. We'll put those things over here. What else do we have in here? We have a whole bunch of palettes. There are so many. And I know not all of these are going to fit in the Cosmocube because they are already stuffed to the brim. But we'll see what we've got. So, right now, the first thing that I have is the Dreams So Big palette. I just got this. It's Real Her. It's cute. I like it. I will keep this in the bag for now. This one, I'm not sure. I might put this one away for a while, but I might keep it out too. They're very similar, but the tones are a little bit different. They're both cool to neutral tone, but the tones of the colors are a bit different. This one, again, I'm keeping in my bag. This is another very old palette. This is an Aurora highlight palette, and I like this one because it has those funny colors in it. I am extremely pale. Many of you are too, who I've spoken to in my comments. I like this highlighter because it has blue and purple and silver. I am wearing the blue one today, and I am not lying when I tell you it makes me look 20 years younger because it is actually made for my skin tone. So if any of you hate this and want to get rid of it, please, I'll send you my address. Anyway, we're keeping this one. That looks very nice with this ancient palette. And actually, I wore both of those at my wedding. So they are definitely staying for now. Now the next palette that I've got, this is the Blank Ultra Longwear. It's called Ultra Longwear and Effortless. Oh, Beauty Enabling, whatever. The Glow Getter Face palette. I mean, like, this is cute. I just don't use it much. This is more like summery for me. Summery or vacation, something sunny. All of these are kind of gold, and that's just not working for me in Michigan January. So this one is definitely going over here. I haven't even used it that much, but we'll keep it for now. I don't have anyone to give it to, so we'll keep it for now. The next one, what do you think? Should I keep this one out? This is the Cotton Headed Ninny Muggins palette. I know that it's like Christmas themed because it's elf themed, but to be honest, I mean, maybe I'll keep it out. Maybe. This is a maybe because these are colors that actually look good on my tone and depth of skin. So maybe we'll keep this one out. We'll see. But then therein lies the problem because there's these other ones that I like too. There's the Venus palette and the I Am Elma palette. What am I going to do? These are all really cute. Let's look at all of them together. So I've got this one. I mean, this is cute. I like that blue, and I like like some of these, but I haven't really used it lately. I don't know, what would you do? Maybe, I like the formula of that better than I like the formula of this, but this one's newer and has more colors. Maybe I will keep this one out. So I will keep that one out. I will put this one away for now, but I still love this one. This is very hard. So put that over there. I guess maybe we'll put this one, I don't know, still undecided on that. Next one, this one, I love this. I love it. This might be my favorite palette that I got all year from Boxycharm, and they did send a lot of palettes. So this is more of a neutral, but it's, oh, you're seeing all my business now. So what do you think? Maybe I'll keep this one. This one's better for a cool tone, I think, than this one, even though this one is very cool. I like this better, it's more dynamic. So we'll keep this one and we'll box this one for now. But then the question becomes, between these two, do I put one back? Because I am going for minimalism here, which I know I said earlier, but it bears repeating. I don't want a bunch of this stuff in my bag. It just makes it difficult to live life. So out of these two, I don't know which one to keep. I don't know which one to keep. What do you think? We'll keep them both for now. I'm hopeless. So we have primer, have to keep the primer. Powder, I've got one powder, we have to keep it. This blush and this blush. I have a problem. I've been using this one lately, but this is my go-to. I don't know which one to choose. What do you think? What would you keep? This is the Georgia Peach blush by Benefit, and this is the Nars Orgasm blush. And this one matches my lipstick of choice perfectly, but I mean, I am also wearing it today, the lipstick with this guy, and that's also perfectly fine. So I don't know which one to do. Which one would you keep? They're practically the same. This is so difficult. I'm going to keep both for now. This is why we don't get anywhere. Two mascaras. One of them is ancient. Let's see if it's even still functional. Oh, I can hardly get it open. That's so gross. We're going to get rid of this. It's too bad because I like that brush. But, I mean, what is this? Like $5? This is an Essence. This is an Essence mascara. So I will actually throw that out. Keep this one. Let's see. Now, okay, now we're getting into stuff that I can actually get rid of. So, okay, we've got a whole bunch of stuff here. This stuff gets crazy in here. This is my favorite foundation right now. This is Trestique. I will keep this. Let's see, as opposed to, where is it? Oh, the other one that I didn't like, I already put in my Cosmocube. So, there's that. Now I have two concealers here. This is an Essence one that I've been using. I'm wearing this right now. And this is an e.l.f. one. The e.l.f. one is good in case of emergency, but it's really, really cakey. So I'm going to put this one on standby for emergencies and keep this one. This lip color, this is Revlon Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polish. It's adorable and I love it, but it's really messy. So I don't know. It's not like I'm getting rid of it. Why is this such a big deal? Whatever, I'll put it over here. I'm not using it every day. So this I use every day. This is the $1 Billion Brows On Point little teeny weeny pencil. We're keeping it. This guy, this is the Tinted Brightening and Eye Cream. It's supposed to be like concealer and eye cream in one. I tried it kind of, but it was just honestly more effort than just using a concealer. So no, we're not doing that for now. I might give it away to like someone I know personally, like in my family. I don't know. But I don't see myself using it. Maybe I'll keep it for just in case, but I didn't really like it. So that being said, I have 3 of these. These are like crayon eyeshadows, and while they are cute and while they do add some oomph, sometimes I'm really not using them. They're a waste of space. These very easily going out my bag. out of room there because I don't know how to clean. Oh, you can see it, my goodness. Anyway, so this is adorable. Maven Cosmic Drip. I was very excited to get this. These colors are amazing, and the palette is really cool too. It's clear. These are really cool, but I'm not going to use them anytime soon. I'm definitely going to keep them for like that time that I need something super shiny, but I'm not going to keep them in this bag. Now, let's see. This is my color corrector. I need my color corrector. I use it every single day that I put on makeup. I won't be without it. I guess we'll keep it. Now, and these guys, these are both little Smashbox Primers. I'm going to keep these in my bag, even though I don't use them every day, because they are indispensable, and I don't want to have to be looking for them when I absolutely need them. These are the best primers that I've ever tried in terms of a smoothing silicone primer, and I just really need to keep them around so they are staying. Now, we are getting down to the bottom. This is a lip oil. It is clear. I mean, I've got so many lip oils, it can go for now. Let's see. I don't even know what my other lip oils are. This is a Luna liner. Oh, Seraphine Botanicals. I forgot I even had this. Oh my gosh. I forgot I had this. I already have this one that I'm wearing right now that stays no matter what, so we're keeping this one, and we will stash this one. I don't even remember how well this one works. I forgot it existed. I feel really bad now. But anyway, we're going to stash this. Nice to know that we've got extras. Now, these are both brow gels, and I've got plenty in both. So I'm going to keep the one that's closer to being done, and I'm going to stash the other one, just like we did. And let's see, we've got some more. This is another eyeliner. This is a pencil eyeliner. I think it fell apart. It's one of those twist ups. I'll keep it just because sometimes I want to use something that's more like a crayon or a pencil than a marker. So we'll keep that one. And then we are almost done with this bag, actually. Keep this. I've got a lot of random lip colors in the bottom. This is a liquid highlighter. It's the only one I have, and I'm actually using it today. I do like this a lot, so we are going to keep this. This is the Grande Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter. Now, this doesn't really plump as far as I'm aware. I do kind of feel it tingling a little bit, but I do like putting this under, and I like layering my highlighters, so this is a very nice first highlighter to put on before you put on your powder. I do like this a lot. I will be keeping that out. I use it almost every time. I have a whole bunch of lip colors here. So this is an ancient liquid catsuit from Wet n Wild. It's actually still good, which I know is disgusting, but I don't like throwing things out. This red is absolutely gorgeous, and it works very well. I like to use this when I need to have a very, very red lip, and it needs to stay. If you are wearing a red lip on stage and you've got costume changes, this is your girl. But we don't need that right now because I'm not living that life currently. It's going to go over here. And the next one, this was a free gift from Sephora for my birthday. It's bronzy. Like, what is it with these people in bronzer? Not all of us like bronze on our skin tones. But I suppose, you know, that's not as many of us, so whatever. It's a crowd pleaser. I just don't like this one. I do like the way this feels. This is the lip balm that Nars came out with. Excuse me. Someone wants to get a hold of me. So this does feel nice. I have worn this a few times as a lip balm, but that's about it. So we're gonna put that there for now. This is another little Nars color. And I do like this one. This is a liquid lip. And, you know, I do like their liquid lips, and I think I'm going to keep this one. It's small, and this is a very good everyday color, so I'm going to keep that for now. This is a Real Her moisturizing lipstick. This one is called Gold Digger, and it's kind of like an almost red, almost brown. I don't know how. Wow, everyone wants to talk to me. Do we keep this? Let's keep this one. we'll keep this one. Because again, this is something that I don't use often, but I want to be able to reach for it when I need to. This is a unique color that the last time I saw a color like this, I was in high school. It was the very early 2000s. I did like that one. I used all of it. So we're just going to keep this around so I don't lose track of it. Believe it or not, I do lose track of things once they go into my Cosmocube. That's part of the reason I'm being so weird about this. Now we are almost done. We've only got a few more things to go. This is a BB cream. It's from Purely's Ageless Glow Serum BB Cream SPF 40. I do like this. I will keep this. Not every day that I do makeup do I want to wear an actual foundation. For those days, I will use this. I'll keep these both because they are two different products. I want them both available. I usually make my decision on the spot with that. This is a Milk Makeup. It is a cream blush. I don't use this that much, but again, I do like layering with this. If I want a really perfect complexion, then I have been layering this, and then my powder, and then my blush. So I'll keep this one out. I'll keep this one out. And then the last two things in here, we really have to compare. My lovely husband has purchased both of these for me. I have to decide which one to put in the box and which one to keep out because they're practically the same. So this is the Naked 3 Basics palette, and this is Marvelous Mauves from Dose of Colors. So let's take a look at these together. They both look really nice on my skin. And I don't want to drop the brush. Oh my gosh, it won't open. Okay, there we go. So we've got the Dose of Colors, which there we go. And we've got this one. Which one do we keep? We're going to keep this one out. Simply because this one looks very much like these two. And I really feel like these two probably look very similar. And I've had this one for less time. So this one will go for now, but I can always grab it when I need to. So that's the stuff that I use the most. We're not going to do brushes because I do have separate sets of brushes that I do switch out whenever I wash them. So that's not a mess. And then the last thing, I lied, there was one more thing. This is already sitting out. I do like this for putting on top of just like a very basic lip color. I've got so many of these though. I've got some in my purse. Yeah, I've got better ones in my purse. So I'm gonna put this one actually over here as well. I can always grab it if I need to. This is a very cute color. I like the ones that I have in my purse better, let's be honest. So that is that. That was absolutely everything in my bag. And if you enjoyed this, if you thought it was fun, let me know. I do still have to go through the entire Cosmocube. If you thought it was terribly boring and you never want to see it again, please also let me know. Either way, the comment helps me, it helps you, and we are all happy because we can have a conversation. So in any case, I want to thank everyone, especially if you watch this whole stupid thing this far, then thank you for hanging out with me while I do this. Please like, comment, and subscribe because I am actually starting to care about my numbers. That is my New Year's resolution. I really appreciate it. It helps me out a lot. And like I said, let me know. Is this something that's interesting to you or was it super boring and pointless? Either way, let me know. I'll see you later. Bye.